Two giants in the website builder world, one ultimate showdown, which is truly worth your time and money. On one side, the streamlined, user-friendly Zyro. On the other, the powerhouse Hostinger, known for speed and reliability. We're testing them across the metrics that actually matter: ease of use, features, pricing, performance, and more. No jargon, just real results. Let's cut through the hype. Every category gets a score, and by the end you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust us, the winner might catch you by surprise. Let's get into it. Before we jump in, let's just lay out what we're comparing. Picture this like a big mind map. We're talking pricing, performance, website builder, hosting options, support, security and backups, design flexibility, and, oh yeah, scalability. This way, you'll get the full picture before making any decisions. Alright, first up, pricing. Zyro totally gets your attention with these crazy low starting prices, and I'm not joking, it's super simple to pick a plan. No hidden stuff, you see what you get, but there are some limits, so if you're dreaming of enterprise level stuff, pump the brakes. Now, Hostinger, also super affordable out of the gate, and they love throwing discounts at you, but here's where you gotta watch out. Those renewal rates, they go up. Plus, don't be surprised by some upsells here and there. So overall, Zyro definitely comes out on top here if you want pure simplicity and low upfront costs. Let's talk performance. With Zyro, you'll notice your site loading quickly, especially if it's just a blog or a portfolio. It's clearly optimized for lighter sites, but the moment you try anything big or complicated, it shows its limits. Hostinger, on the other hand, is honestly kind of impressive here. Uptime is solid, and when you get traffic spikes, the servers hold their own. You might hit a speed dip now and then if you're on the cheapest plan, but for raw performance, Hostinger's the winner. Now, the website builder. Zyro's got this drag and drop system that's just, can I say, almost fun? Throw in some AI tools and it almost feels like cheating. Templates are modern and clean, but if you want to dive into custom code, sorry, not happening here. Hostinger does have its own builder, and here's the catch, it's more for folks who aren't scared to get technical, not as beginner friendly, and honestly, their free template selection is kinda meh. If you want quick, stress-free building, Zyro wins this round hands down. Oh, and here's something cool a lot of folks miss. Did you know that Zyro is actually built by Hostinger? Yeah, it's their own project to make website building totally simplified for beginners. Right. Hosting options next. With Zyro, you basically let them handle everything for you, which is awesome if you're new. But if you ever dream bigger, like VPS or dedicated servers, yeah, you'll hit a wall. Hostinger though, the buffet is open. You get shared plans, VPS, cloud, WordPress, a ton of control if you want it. But heads up, their dashboard can be a little much if you're just starting out. Still, Hostinger easily takes it for versatility. Now, support. Zyro gives you live chat, email, plenty of handy tutorials. But if you're the kind of person who wants to call someone up, nope, no phone support here. Hostinger's got 24/7 live chat and tickets, plus their knowledge base is huge and super fast, but yeah, also not picking up the phone. Overall, Hostinger still edges Zyro out because that 24/7 help is clutch. Security and backups. Zyro does the basics right out of the box. SSL, compliance tools, all that. But if you're looking for daily backups to be included, you're going to have to pay up. Hostinger, this is where it gets nice, gives you those daily, even weekly, backups automatically, and their security's got some legit muscle with DDoS protection and BitNinja. Restoring backups might be limited to premium plans though, a bit of a catch. But yeah, Hostinger wins, hands down. Right. Let's talk design flexibility. Zyro gives you slick modern templates and even an AI-powered designer so you can make a site that looks expensive, but honestly, you can't tinker under the hood too much. Hostinger though, if you want full code access or to go wild with WordPress, go for it. But get ready to put in some elbow grease. So in the end, it's kind of a tie. Zyro wins for quick, simple style, Hostinger for the ultimate DIYer. And wrapping up with scalability. Zyro is brilliant for, like, personal sites, startups, or if you're just getting going. But here's the deal. If your site suddenly blows up or you want to upgrade, you're kind of boxed in. Hostinger though, you can upgrade to VPS, jump to cloud hosting, toss on new resources, the sky's the limit. Though be warned, the cost can escalate if you scale fast. Winner's obvious here. Hostinger all the way. So looking at that side by side, you can actually see both platforms have their moments depending on what you're after. Zyro shines at being affordable and easy as pie, while Hostinger's that powerhouse you graduate to when you need way more control and muscle. Here's how I'd sum it up. If you want to just get a site online fast and hate tech headaches, Zyro is your best friend. But if you see yourself needing more hosting muscle, scalability, or you want to play with WordPress, Hostinger's just the better long-term move. If this breakdown helped or just saved you hours of research, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or just bookmark it for your next website project.